tell you the 500 commands and prompts and how to use maximum daily need in anyone, students, teachers, faculty, research scholars, professionals. Please comment, share. Thank you. Your Vijay Learner. Hi, welcome to back everyone. My channel Vijay Tutorial Point. Today topic is the ChatGPT topic. I will show you some commands. It's very useful everyone. I will tell you this ChatGPT total 500 commands. The continuation videos is coming every day. The first one I will type this ChatGPT. Create a to-do list, and I will the ChatGPT is given this very much and effectively this 10 topics. The high priority task first you can do it, and high priority task second you can do it. Second, the reply email messages which you are required, and the complete work or study your session, your student, your employee, your teacher. Take a short breaks, exercise every day 30 minutes by Gurusel essential only. Don't go to the lavish. Clean or organize your workspace and review today's progress and plan tomorrow task also. You can check off each item is complete. It is given this. The another command I will show you. That is very long video. That's why I will already type this command. Priority task. The priority task is given this status and priority task. The high priority task is the first, and high priority second task you can complete a status, and medium complete work study session is medium priority. The medium priority reply the emails is the medium priority. Low priority tasks this by Gagras essential low priority task and low priority clean or organize your workplace. Also, the optional is the exercise 30 minutes. Optional is review today's progress. Optional is planning tomorrow task. This way. The another one is the make checklist. The high priority complete high priority task and complete high priority tasks, medium priority complete work for study session, medium reply the message, low priority by progresses and personal. This is the exercises. Take a short break, review today progress and planning tomorrow. This 10 tasks. Create daily schedules. Create daily schedules. The wake up time is the daily schedule activities. The 6 a.m. wake up and drinking water. 6:15 is exercise walk. 7 a.m. to the show get ready. Shower to get ready. 7:30 a.m. breakfast. 8 to 10 p.m. focus on your most important tasks. 10 a.m. to short break, and 10:15 to 12:30 works and study. The 12:30 p.m. lunch, and to 1:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. continuous work and learning. 3:30 p.m. tea, coffee break in the schedule of student. The another one is the build weekly planner. You observe this. How to get output is very useful in ChatGPT. The weekly plan. Monday is the top priority, other tasks and completed. Tick. And first one, second one, third one. The same procedure following the weekdays. Goals and goal 1, goal 2, important task, reminders, health habits. Drink 8 glass of water, exercise 30 minutes, sleep 8 to 7 hours. This way. The another one is the creative monthly planner. This is the creative monthly plan is the month, year. Then you can plan this way: goal 1, goal 2, goal 3, goal 4, goal 5. This monthly goals, and important tasks is the schedule this way. Important tasks, important dates of the events or your any activities. The month. and work study track, complete projects and finishing assignment reports, attending meetings, class, learning to new skills, review monthly progress, habit exercise weekly and second week, third week, fourth week, fifth week, drink enough water, read daily, sleep 7 to 8 hours, meditation, budgeting. Category plan actually income first, savings second option, food third option, fourth transport, shopping, bills, others. Note important end of the month review, goal completed or not, biggest achievement this month, challenging of this month, focus on next month. Time black my day. This is time black my day. 6 to 6:30 wake up morning routine and 6:37 exercise yoga and a 7 to 8 a.m. breakfast get ready. 8 to 10 a.m. deep work most important tasks. 10 to 10:15 breakfast break and 10:15 to 12 o'clock work and study session and 12 to 1 p.m. email admin talks and 1 to 2 lunch relax and 2 to 4 is a project work learn and 4 to 15 the tea coffee break. This way you can schedule is this 6 to 7 exercise walk family time 7 to 8 dinner and 8 to 9 is the reading skills development 9 to 9:30 plan tomorrow review progress and 9:30 to 10 relax preparation to for sleep and 10 p.m. sleep. This is the daily priority. Complete top priority task first one, second one finish second priority, third one response to important messages and exercise for the 30 minutes you are fit and physically mentally. That's why you can 30 minutes work, drink enough water, review the activity acts, eighth option, click here. The 10 productivity acts get more done. Use time blocks, follow to 80-20 rule, Petro principles. The use time blocking and try to promote techniques. Work 25 minutes, take 5 minutes break, and after 4 sessions, take a 15 to 13 minutes break. Follow the 20 minutes rule. If you task less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. The email instructions and planning to day to night before do the hardest tasks first batch similar to this way. Take regular breaks and review the your day. Productivity formula set your top 3 priorities. This way is plan. The chart is very useful. The eliminate distractions. This eliminate distractions. Silence your phone, turn off the notification, keep clean workspace, limited internet distraction, work for focus session, control your environmental, keep distraction list, write it down and return to your current task, review the later, focus on the task, avoid multitasking, finish the task before starting another, complete your highest priority, schedule the distraction, check it during the lunch, check it after work, set a daily time limits, take care of yourself and reiterate exercise this way. Focus checklist is the phone silent and notification clean workplace. This is the golden rule. This improvement of my focus. How to use this chat GPT? 0 to hero. This is 500 commands. I will show you step by step. So many videos is coming. The eliminate distractions, set focus. This is the eliminate distractions. Single word is given. The put your phone away, turn off notifications, and declutter workspace and black digital distractions. Work on the task at a time. Use focus session. Control your environment and capturing random thoughts. Schedule the break and build health habits. Daily focus checklist. After that, this is the phones and silent mode. Everybody tells phone in silent mode every place. In this way, you can use your chat GPT.